Hi everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a collab video. I'm collabing with a really cool girl here on YouTube. She goes by My New Obsession 2017. I believe 2017 is when she started her channel. Her name is Donna. You guys have to go check her out. I have been following her since pretty much day one, and her videos make me laugh out loud. She has such an amazing personality, and she's got 5 kids, which is nuts. I don't know how you can have 5 kids and still do as many videos as she does. She's just really cool and does really good reviews. So a good review to me, like, goes through the positives, the negatives, and tells the background of the product and the packaging, and just hits it all. And I feel like she does all of that. My favorite videos from her are the palette roulette videos. Those are so cool. She puts all her palettes on her phone and spins a wheel, and it chooses a palette for her, and then she uses it for an entire week, and she's been killing it with those. Like, she's consistently uploading, and I feel like a lot of other YouTubers who do that kind of video don't consistently upload with it, and it's just like hard for them to keep up. But for Donna, it's like really easy, and I love that she keeps up with it. So I highly recommend you go check her out. But today's video is going to be not only a collab, it's a Violet Voss tutorial pretty much. We are going to choose 3 to 5 shades from here, our favorite shades, and do a makeup look. So she also has this palette, and we wanted to do something really fun. We both love the formula and everything. So this is what the inside looks like. So we're going to be dabbing into this today, and I can't wait to see what Donna's favorite shades are, and hopefully you feel the same way. So if you want to see the look that I create today with this palette and using 3 to 5 shadows, then just keep watching. Start off any makeup look, I am going to zoom you guys in. Hello, crazy brows. Okay, so I usually have my mirror right here, so I can look down, and my hair is pulled back because I don't remember where I put my little headband thing, so I kind of look weird, but whatever. I'm gonna quick prime my eyes with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This is always what I use, so I'm just gonna do this real fast. I'm probably gonna clip this out. Eyes are primed, and we're ready to, I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. We're ready to go. So I want to take, obviously, the Violet Voss palette. Look how pretty that packaging is. I just want my eyes to like look like that, but they're not going to. They're gonna be close to it probably, but alright, to start, I want to use this matte shade, which is one of my favorite shades in the palette. I love this cool toned brown called Motivate. It's really, really nice. The mattes in here are mind-blowingly phenomenal. Like, has anybody ever described an eyeshadow matte like that? I don't think so. So you need to definitely check these out. I just absolutely love. Like, just wait until you see how easy this blends out, because you're gonna die. I'm gonna take my MAC 217 brush, and that is that. So I discovered Donna when I got the electric palette, and I really wanted to like be creative with it and see what looks people came up with. I think I wanted to do a purple look. Obviously, my favorite color is purple. My hair is purple. I got it done a couple weeks ago, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. But anyway, back to Donna. So yeah, I discovered Donna through typing in like electric palette tutorials, and she did a purple what do you call it? Purple tutorial, purple eye look, and I followed it, and it was really easy to follow. I'll try and link that video down below if it's not too much scrolling, because she does upload quite a bit. But yeah, I really like her. She's really, really funny and does a really good job on her reviews, and every video that she does, honestly. Alright, so that should be good. I can always reapply later on. And my favorite shimmer in this palette is by far this shade called Smart AF. It is a beautiful duochrome, and I can't wait to put it on my lids. I hope Donna and I don't use the same shades. I mean, I guess that would say something a lot about us, that we're very similar in what shades we like. Oh, look at how pretty it is! This palette absolutely blew my mind, honestly. I think I'm gonna do a little dab of this black shade right here. It is just a very super, actually, you know what? No, I'm not going to do that. It's going to be too dark. I'm going to do a mixture of Snatched and Voss here. So the lighter brown and the darker brown. That's a really nice contrast going on. I didn't want it to be super dark, so I think this is the next best thing. I'm just gonna bring this a little bit into the crease like that. And then we're gonna blend. I think I might wet the lid shade just to make it pop a little bit more. I think because it's next to those super dark shadows, it's not showing up as bright as it could be. So that's what we're gonna do next. Well, first we're gonna blend. Okay, take my flat shader brush, dip into that lid shade, get a good amount on, and take my MAC Fix Plus. Oh my god. Okay. That was successful in my vision. Wow. Pretty. I'm just gonna dry it off real quick. Dip in again. Spritz, spritz. Oh yeah, I love the contrast there. That's what I wanted. Alright, so maybe just a little bit more on this side. Yeah. And then we're gonna blend again. Alright, that is the finished eye look as of now. I am going to add something in the inner corner, another one of my favorite shades, and I'm going to do my face, and I'll be right back, and we'll continue with the look. So, BRB. Alright, so let's finish up the eyes. So, I'm going to take a flat shader brush, and I'm going to take my, let's see, 1, 2, this will be my third favorite shade, I believe. Yeah. Which is Swag. I like this shade a lot. It looks just like a white shade, but it's actually like a yellow duochrome green shadow situation. So I'm going to put that in the inner corner. You know what? I'm going to use a different brush. Doesn't really add too much, but it is one of my favorite shades. Alright, we're just gonna leave that there. You can kind of see the yellow peeking through, which is kind of cool against the green. So again, my favorite shades in the palette were this Swag shade, the Smart AF shade, which is all over my lid, and the Motivate shade. I really like those three. Alright, so this is the final look. And again, I was using the Violet Voss palette, and I cannot wait to see Donna's look. Hopefully we did not use the same shadows. That would be so funny. Originally it was supposed to be 5 favorite shadows, but I don't know. I didn't want to put 5 shadows on my eyes. Usually I only put 3, so that's that. And I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys go check out Donna. I think you will really like her personality and her videos. She does a whole mix of everything. She uploads a ton. Power to you, girl. I don't know how you do it, but I'm so happy that I found you on YouTube, and we've been doing these collabs for a little bit now, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching and for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone!